Atlanta, Georgia, Fani Willis, the district attorney for Fulton County, found herself neck-deep in a legal quagmire as her alleged tryst with top Trump prosecutor Nathan Wade threatened to derail her career faster than a runaway train. And the left? Well, they're reacting as gracefully as a bull in a china shop. Willis, who's facing potential disqualification from Trump's RICO case, got tangled in a web of her own making during an evidentiary hearing. The Gateway Pundit, renowned for stirring pots, served up some juicy revelations during the proceedings. Nathan Wade, the alleged paramour, spilled the beans faster than a clumsy waiter, confessing to funding their lovey-dovey getaways on the company dime. Talk about mixing business with pleasure. Willis even slipped him some cash under the table to cover her tracks. But wait, there's more. Willis apparently dabbled in creative writing, penning court documents that rival the works of fiction on the bestseller list. Her story about the genesis of their romance raised more eyebrows than a unibrow convention. Things took a nosedive for Willis when she decided to put on a one-woman show, screaming and ranting about her steamy liaison with Nathan Wade. It was a spectacle worthy of Broadway, though the audience was less than impressed. The fallout from this legal soap opera has sent left-wing zealots into a tailspin. The mere thought of Trump wriggling off the hook and potentially making a comeback has them clutching their pearls so tightly they might just pop a blood vessel. On The Late Show, Stephen Colbert, chief purveyor of Trump derangement syndrome, served up a steaming plate of hysteria. Colbert, whose Trump obsession rivals that of a teenage girl's crush on a boy band, kicked off his show with a barrage of quips and jabs aimed squarely at the former president. His diatribe painted a picture bleaker than a funeral in a power outage. "This is fucked up," Colbert blurted out, summing up the sentiments of his echo chamber. His subsequent meltdown would make Chernobyl look like a mild case of heartburn. In a particularly cringe-worthy moment, Colbert took aim at Willis's bedroom escapades, wondering aloud if the thrills were worth jeopardizing democracy. It was comedy gold, assuming your idea of comedy involves scraping the bottom of the barrel. Conservatives had some amusing responses to Colbert's meltdown. One quipped that if Trump does manage to clinch victory in November, Colbert's show would become must-watch TV, surpassing even the finest reality TV dramas. In the end, one thing's for certain: politics has never been more entertaining or more absurd. As the circus rolls on, one can't help but wonder, will sanity prevail, or are we doomed to drown in a sea of partisan hysteria? Only time will tell.